How to fix Snapchat not sending snaps error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna see how you can easily fix if your Snapchat is not sending snaps. Let's just get started. You can start off by checking your internet connection by switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. So toggle on mobile data if you're on Wi-Fi, and if you're on mobile data, toggle it to your Wi-Fi button. Once that is done, you can also try to turn on airplane mode by tapping on the flight icon, and flight mode will turn on. Keep it turned on for a few seconds and then turn it back off. Once that is done, you can try to clear your app cache by going over to settings and find the app section. From your app sections, just go ahead and search for Snapchat. Once you find Snapchat here, go over to storage down below and then tap on clear cache at the bottom. Go back, and the next step is to force stop the app. Sometimes there might be ongoing background processes, and it might have caused the temporary glitch of not sending snaps. Tap on force stop, tap on OK. So what it's going to do is end all of the background processes. Once that is done, you can also re-log into your Snapchat account and refresh your permissions and reconnect to its servers. Go to permissions, make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And final step is to make sure that you have the updated version of the app. Go to Play Store, simply search for Snapchat. Make sure that you have updated the app to its latest version. If you see an update button instead of open, just update the app. That's pretty much it, guys. That's basically what you have to do to fix the problem. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.